wrap the bottom around.
Okay, yeah. Mine's gonna keep on looking. Let's go. Big nothing. He doesn't even look like a body.
You're getting it. Okay?
Okay, that's looks a little bit better. Oh, there we go.
See how it has a little sticking over? And you just wrap it up, wrap it around,
There, I got
and there's one ear. Now you do the other one.
Can I make one of the ears?
I can make one of the ears. You may have to move your string a little bit. Only because I don't think there's enough room for your ears. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. Finish your bunny. Everybody's bunny will be different. I can't do yours. I can help you. Spin it.
I need to get a
This direction.
Mine's so small. I'm barely gonna have any crystals.
Bunnies will be all shapes and all sizes. Is every bunny the same color?
No.
Is every bunny the same size?
No.
Let me tell you why I have a connection to this.
I'm probably not gonna have one.
When I was younger, I had a bunny. I had a pet bunny.
I have a bunny.
And he was an all black bunny. And you know what? He was different. Do you know how?
No.
He hated carrots.
What the? What?
He hated carrots. And does that mean he's any less of a bunny?
No.
No. He was still a bunny, and he was an amazing bunny. But he just didn't like carrots. So does that mean that just because your bunny doesn't look like, I don't know, my bunny, that yours is any less of a bunny?
No.
If yours is smaller, does that make yours any less of a bunny? No. Every bunny is different in shape and size, and that's just like real bunnies. Not all bunnies will be the same size. Some are smaller than others. Sanitize. Okay? So if you helped a friend today, what do you think you did to their bucket? We read about kindness and filling buckets and tipping buckets. What do you think you did to your friend's bucket, Damian Martinez?
Is this bucket too much?
You filled your bucket. You filled your bucket. So you've made your friends happy because you helped them. And it may not have been something that they couldn't do, but sometimes we just need a little help. Right? Okay. Thumbs up if you finished your bunny. Okay. Here's the next step. Everyone's going to get a piece of string. Look. Everyone's getting a piece of string. And on this string, you're going to wrap it around your bunny, kind of like we're making an ornament, and you're just going to tie a little knot. So look, crisscross, just like I'm tying my shoes. Just like I'm tying my shoes. Do you see? Just like that. And I can help with this step if you need it, or someone around you. And then you're going to take that again, loop, and pull so that you made a knot.
Do a double knot.
Double knot. That looks just like an ornament, right?
Yeah, but
Like I could hang it.
aren't you gonna turn the bunny to crystals?
We are turning the bunny into a crystal. But the first step we have to do is we have to give the knot. Noah, do you have a question?
I don't know how to tie or a double knot.
That's okay. Because our classmates can help us. We're a community. We work together, and I can help you. So as we go, if you can't tie a knot, maybe you ask someone for help, and maybe you ask me for help. Okay, so I'm coming around and giving you your string. Here we go. Here's your string.
I'm probably gonna lose crystals because I lost a lot of hair on my bunny.
I'm hoping yours is long.
I need help.
Yep, you can tie it right around there.
You're a little.
Hold on. Let's put your bunny all the way
I
around.
might lose some crystals because.
Or your crystals might grow there. We'll have to see. The fun part about an experiment is we can make a hypothesis or a guess as to what will happen, and then we get to see if it's true.
Yeah, my hypothesis is. Or making crystals.
Go ahead. What's your hypothesis, Gavin?
Crystals are probably not going to grow.
Crystals are probably not going to grow in the metal. You know the only way we'll find out
We try it.
is if we try it. That's absolutely right. Please
How do
put
you-
that in your desk.
Like, how do you do it? Like, put it through the big hole? I can't tell. Do you put it through the big hole?
Okay. If you know that you need help, you can raise your hand.
I do.
Okay. Would you rather it here or in an ear? In the ear. Okay, so here we go.
Oh, finally I can do it. I did it.
There we go.
I did it. You know, it's very small.
A lot of times it's not I can't do it, it's just I can't do it yet. So we've got to keep that in mind. You will be able to do this, but sometimes it just takes a little practice, right? All right. So in the ear or in here? Let's do the ear. How about that? Okay.
I'll help you.
Perfect, Gavin. See, as a community, we work together to help each other when we don't understand how to do something or when we're just not there yet.
I can only do this.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
That's
But can you give it a little bit more air? So a little bit more in the bubble. You did it just fine. So see, it's not that you can't do it. Because you did it. You tied it. You just need to give it a little bit more space so that I can stick a pencil through the hole. Okay? So you went like this, right? Just do that one more time without squeezing it.
Yep, I can undo it.
Absolutely. That's what I'm here for. You're going to tie it like this. Watch. So yours is fine. You're just going to tie it again. Look.
Miss West, they just need something to hold on to dip it, so it doesn't really matter exactly what part it's on.
It doesn't matter what part it's on. It's just so that I can stick a pencil through the opening so that I can leave it in the water so the crystals grow. You just can't do it yet, right? Never think that you can't do something.
Yep, I got it.
Because,
I did it on my first.
can I tell you something? You may not know how to do it now, but someday you will know. I didn't learn how to tie my shoes a specific way until I was 8. I didn't learn how to tie my shoes until I was 5. So it's not that you don't know how to do it. It's just that you don't know how to do it yet.
I didn't know when you were a baby, you don't know how to sing the ABC before that.
That's right. Avery said, did everyone hear her? Look, we're just going to hang yours upside down. So you did it right.
Miss
Avery said, you don't learn your ABCs right away when you're born, right? It takes time and practice. So you tying and learning is your practice to learn how to tie a knot.
And if you don't do it, if someone's good at unknotting like me, I won't do it.
See, and if you don't want to do it, Gavin said he'll help you. There you go.
I'll help.
Okay, next step. As we're finishing up, I want you to listen. I'm going to call your number and you're going to come up and get a pencil.
Yay.
What you're going to do is this pencil is going to go right through the knot. You see that? It hangs. Alright, so when I call your number, come up and get your pencil. 20. 20. 18. Pay attention. They're not here right now. 7. Mhm. 4. 4. Right. 22. 2. 17. 1. 12. 8.
Not here. Not here.
We're gonna leave this on her desk so that she can do it when she comes back if she wants. 6. 11. 9. 9.
Here. And he just got his money done.
You can absolutely keep these pencils when we're done. 5. 16.
Holy smokes.
14. See if your neighbor wants to switch with you. If you don't like your color, you can do that. 15. He's not here. 19. And 10. Okay. I told him he could switch. Okay. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to, when I call your number, bring your pencil and your bunny over. Okay? But here's what you're going to do. While you're waiting, I want you to tell the person next to you your favorite part about Easter. Okay? There's only one requirement. You have to do this with